Hello guys, my name is Chong and today, this video, we will talking about data security in internet. So, nowadays, most people think has less risk of internet usage, but they don't know variety of risks that will possible to every user. So, today we're going to discuss the risk and solution in order to strengthen awareness of prevent internet risk. So, let us move to the next part. First, so you guys know First, you guys know what is data security in internet? Okay, so data security is the process of safeguarding digital information throughout its entire life cycle to protect it from corruption, thief, or authorizing access. It covers in everything: hardware, software, storage, device and user device, access and administrative controls and organization, policies and procedures. Data security use tools and technology that enhance invisible of a company data and how it is being used. These tools can protect data through process like data masking, encryption, and reduction of sensitive information. The process also helps organizations still line their auditing procedure and comply with increasingly stringent data protection regulation. So, and then move to the next part.
Cái vụ đó là thằng mất dạy đó.
Okay. Next, importance of data security. These are many reasons why data security is important to organizations in all industry all over the world. Organizations are legally obliged to protect customer and user data from being lost or stolen and ending up in the wrong hands. For example, industry and state regulation like the California Consumer Privacy ACT CCPA, the Europe Union's General Data Protection Regulation GDPR, the Health Insurance Protectability and Accountability HIPAA, and the Payment Card Industry Data Security Standard PCI DSS outline organization legal obligation to protect data. Data cybersecurity is also crucial to preventing the reputation risk that accompanies a data breach. A high-profile hack or loss of data can result in customer losing trust in an organization and taking their business to competitor. This also runs the risk of serious financial loss along with fines, legal payments, and damage repair in case sensitive data is lost. So, let us move to the next part.
Hello guys, my name is Richie. So I'm going to continue the rest of the topics. So the next one is benefits of data security. So basically there are 3 benefits of data security that will help all of us and also the users. So first one is keeps your information safe. How do I do this to keep our information safe? By adopting a mindset that focuses on data security and implementing the right set of tools. You will ensure sensitive data does not fall into the wrong hands, and the sensitive data is included customer payment informations and also hospital records and identifications informations, and to name just a few. With a data security program that is created to meet the specific needs of your organizations, this info stays safe and secure. So the next one, which is the second one, is helps you to keep your reputations clean. When people do business with your organizations, they entrust their sensitive information to you, and a data security strategy enables you to provide the protection that they need. For the next one, which is one, which is give you a competitive edge. In many industries, data breach are commonplace. So if you can keep data secure, you set yourself apart from the competitions, which may be struggling to do the same. The last one of the benefits is saves on support and development costs. If you incorporate data security measure early in the development process, you may not have to spend valuable resources to designing or deploying patch or fixing coding problems down the road. There are various types of data security. For example, encryptions. Data encryptions is the use of algorithms to scramble data and hide its true meanings. Encryptions data ensures messages that can only be read by recipients and with the appropriate decryption key. This is crucial, especially in the event of data breach, because even if an attacker manage to gain access to the data, they will not be able to read it without the description key. Next is data erasure. There will be occasions in which organizations no longer require data and need it permanently removed from their systems. Data erasure is an effective data security management technique that moves liability and the chance of data breach occurring. So the next data is the third types of data is data masking. Data masking enables an organization to hide data by obscuring and replacing specific letters or numbers. And this process is a form of encryption that renders the data useless should the hacker intercept it. The original message can only be uncovered by someone who has the code of decrypt or replace the mask characters. The last types of data security, which is the data resiliency. Organization can mitigate the risk of accidental destruction or loss of data by creating backups or copies of their data. Data also backups vital of protecting information and ensuring it is always available. This is particularly important during a data breach or ransomware attack, ensuring the organizations can be restored a previous backup. So we're moving to the last part, which is the risk of data security. But we're going to talk about the risk at there. How do we get there? Let me show you a trick. This place is much better and spacious. Okay, back to the topic, the risk of data security. So what kind of risk that we will possibly to face? Okay, what is the risk of data security? So the risk can be included accidental data exposures, which means many data breaches are not a result of hacking, but through employees accidentally or negligently exposing sensitive information. Employees can easily lose, share, or grant access to data with the wrong persons, or mishandle or lose information because they are not aware of their company security policies. That is the first risk that will happen to us. The second risk is phishing attack. In a phishing attack, a cyber criminal send message, typically via email, short message, service, so on, or instant message service that always appear to be from a trust sender. That's the second risk. Now we move to the last risk, which is the malware. The malicious software is typically spread through email and web-based attack. Attacker use malware to infect computers and corporate network by exploiting vulnerabilities in their software, such as web browser or web applications. So this is all the risks that we seems like to be happen to us, to every of us. Yeah, don't think about this thing will not happen to us. It still have the possibility to happen to every one of us. So, in conclusions, all of us have to be aware and have the awareness by preventing all of these risks that happen to us. Hold on, my friend's calling me out. Guys, Chong's calling me down there. I'm back to the ground first. See you guys.
Okay, so that's the video from us. Hopefully you guys know more about data security in internet.
Make sure you guys have the awareness to prevent all of these risks.
So thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye
Bye-bye.
bye.